The very first thing I do in the morning is I choose my mindset. Because that's my choice. And if I have bad thoughts, negative thoughts, I just tell them to go away. Because that's not what I want. I choose my mindset of who I want to be. Because that shapes my entire day. Good morning. So I set my GoPros up. Got up about 4:50. And I'm going to just kind of show what my morning meal prep looks like. I don't technically have to get up this early, but I like to. Let's rock and roll. It's gonna be a great fucking day. First things first, though. So I literally just did all this and didn't record, so we're gonna do it again real quick. So it's 5:27, but really it's 5:23 because I run myself a 5-minute fast clock. So today we are going to do my morning meal prep. I'm going to time it. Excuse me. So we're going to do eggs, cut up chicken, oatmeal. I got some beans, my kettle, and my oatmeal. I highly suggest that. England taught me something right. It's great to have. So yeah, let's see how long it takes me to do this. And then we're going to get our ass to the cardio room. So there you have it, my meals, all the way up to lunch. I will make my dinner when I come home. So I didn't have any cheese left, so I just used Parmesan. And then I'll add almonds, syrup, chocolate chips to my oatmeal. I don't have any bananas left, so I'm going to use raisins today. I will do cardio, and then after cardio, I'll eat this because I like to do cardio on an empty stomach. And then about 10:30, 11, I'll eat this, and then I'll wait until maybe about 3 or 4 o'clock before I go to the gym, and then I'll have my meal here. So today's going to be a little different because I have to go do some work at school to set up for an event, and I'm going to work out this morning actually. So there you go. I was able to complete this. It's 6:16 on this clock, so it's really about 6:11. But you know, half hour, 40 minutes. I was able to meal prep all my meals. They're fresh. It's good to go. They're gonna be delicious as always. And if I do get hungry, I have a handful of calories left. So the total on my breakfast is 739, but that's split into 2, so it's about, you know, 739 divided by 2. And then my lunch is 409. And that leaves me with 696 calories left. So technically I could probably get a little snack in. I might grab a protein bar just because my fridge is getting a little empty, so I don't have as much food around. and then I'll make a nice dinner later. So I'll see you guys later today. I'm gonna go hit cardio.